Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Do you want to be able to capture your gameplay so that you can create content for your YouTube channel? In this video, I will walk you through the process of recording gaming videos for your YouTube channel to enhance your content with some extra features on your PC. Let's go! Conveniently, Roblox comes with its own built-in recording tool that you can access while you're playing. After starting the game that you want to record, click the Roblox icon in the upper left corner of the interface. Go to the Record tab and click the Record Video button. While playing, the program will record the game in the background. When you have recorded enough of your gameplay, go back to the Record tab and click Stop Recording. To find your recorded output, open Windows Explorer, proceed to the Videos directory, and open the Roblox folder. In case the first tool doesn't work for you, you can try another built-in Windows tool called the Xbox Game Bar. While this app is primarily used for gaming and accessing game-related widgets, it also includes a screen capture and recording feature. You can search for Xbox Game Bar in your list of apps or simply press the keyboard shortcut Windows+G for easy access. To start recording, click the Capture button on the Xbox toolbar. Here, you can enable the microphone button to capture audio input. Then, click the Record button when you're ready to start your screencast. While recording, you can navigate between tabs and record the entire screen with ease. Keep in mind, though, that recording is not available for Windows Explorer and desktop views. Once you have recorded enough, click the Stop button to save it to your local directory. To locate the output video, open Windows Explorer, go to Videos, and choose the Capture folder. Sometimes recording your gameplay requires more features than just standard capture. In this case, I personally recommend Movavi Screen Recorder. This is available for both Windows and Mac. To download Video Suite for free, click on the tag in the upper right corner or find the link below for your reference. If you want to change the website language, click the globe button in the upper right corner and choose one. Although Movavi Video Suite is generally a paid software, there is a 7-day free trial version so you can get a feel of how it works before paying for anything. After downloading, run the executable file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. Once installed, launch the Record Computer Screen subprogram to start recording. The Movavi Screen Recorder's control panel appears as a pop-up sidebar menu on the right side of your Windows screen. It is also added to your system tray for easy access. For first-time setup, click the Settings icon in the control panel to modify the recording configurations to your liking. Under the General tab, click each checkbox to enable the configuration described by its label, such as disabling the default countdown or hiding the recording panel. Set your preferred destination folder when saving your recording in the Files menu. Go to the Video tab if you want to adjust your output's frame rate. To show cursor and keystroke activity in your recording, you can enable it in the Effects tab. You can also limit your recording duration and set a specific time range in the Scheduler configuration. Finally, click the OK button to save your changes. When the screen recorder is ready, open Roblox and launch the game you want to capture. Click the Video Camera button in the Movavi control panel to launch the recording screen. Then drag the cursor to set a specific frame on your window, or click the spacebar on your keyboard to capture the entire screen of your computer. After that, you can use the corresponding toolbars to enable each additional feature according to what you need while recording your game. In the horizontal toolbar, activate the Webcam button to record a live stream of yourself as you play. The webcam panel is available in 3 different sizes. To adjust, simply hover over the panel and select the size you want. You can also drag it anywhere on your screen for convenient positioning. If you want to capture external audio and record your speaking voice, enable the Microphone button. You can also click the gear icon and activate Noise Reduction for cleaner audio. To capture the audio your computer emits or the sound of the window you're playing, make sure the System Audio button on the toolbar is enabled. While on the vertical toolbar, on the other hand, you can turn on the keystroke feature to record any keyboard activity or shortcuts you press during recording. There are also two cursor effects that you can enable. When everything is ready, click the Record button to finally start recording your screen. Please note that if you are using the free trial version, you will only be able to record for 7 minutes and the output video will have a watermark. During recording, you can also use Movavi's pencil tool to highlight and emphasize certain areas of your gameplay. If you're done recording, click the Stop button on the toolbar. In the pop-up window, you can create some necessary edits such as making a cut, capturing a specific frame, or advanced editing using the Movavi video editor. To save the raw output directly, click the Export button. Then rename the file, modify the destination folder, or change the format to your liking. Click the Save button to start the export. Once the file is exported, press the Show in Folder button to view the video directly in the location where you saved it. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.